This test video is to show integration between Jung Smart House Solutions and Spotify Music Service. Here we have Spotify client on mobile phone and Jung Smart Control Room Control. We can see 5 playlists on Smart Control, and if we go to playlist, I have 4 playlists and start as a playlist on Spotify device. Let's say I want to create a new playlist. Let's search for some music. One SMA is quite okay for me. We can choose choreography as an album, and we can create, add a playlist, create a new playlist named Handel's Minuet. So I created it on Spotify client, and in a few seconds it should show up on Jung Smart Control Room Control device.